Welcome to the story of transformation, growth, and resilience. The journey of the Skies-Eldohub Miliki Business Accelerator program. A story powered by dreams, driven by determination, and supported by a strong network of partners. Our journey began with the Kenya Industry and Entrepreneurship Project, strengthening Kenya innovation and enterprise support with the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry, funded by the World Bank and supported by E4 Impact and Spinbag. The Miliki Business Accelerator program was born. It all started with a call for applications. Entrepreneurs from across the country answered, sharing their vision, their dreams, and their business ideas. But the journey wasn't easy. Through rigorous shortlisting, vetting, and selection process, we identified 60 promising innovators and businesses. This ranged from fresh startups to growing enterprise, all fueled by passion and potential. And so began their transformative journey. Intensive training.
If it is an idea, you need to have a plan that, this is what I plan, this is my financial, this is how I want to grow. Just give a projection that, in the first year, I expect to make this. In the second year, I expect to double. In the third year, Ivo too. And then now look at the market opportunity. How big is your market? And I think...
Nimesaidiwa na Skies-Eldohub na Miliki kwa maneno ya elimu, mafunzo, na wamenisaidia nimepata wateja wengi kufuatana na Skies-Eldohub.
2 weeks of immersive learning, business modeling, financial management, marketing strategies, leadership skills. Every session was designed to shape not just businesses, but visionary leaders.
So did you know that potato is the 4th most consumed food in the world?
Legit moving companies that will...
It's reduced to 10 slides. Let the hook come in very well when you are starting.
But learning didn't stop there. We moved into the coaching and product development phase. For 8 weeks, coaches and facilitators worked closely with each entrepreneur, refining business models, strengthening strategies, and nurturing growth. It was intense, challenging, but above all, rewarding. Then came the time to prepare for the spotlight. Pitching preparation. We sharpened their storytelling, perfected their pitches, and built their confidence, because when you stand before investors, it's not just about numbers. It's about your story, your passion, your purpose. To inspire and expose them to real-world success, we organized Eldoret City Investors Forum, which started with a tech run. Kenya is known for long-distance running and tech. Building a business is a marathon, not a sprint. The emphasis is on patience, endurance, and long-term commitment required to succeed. Yet, we don't use these values to create long-lasting businesses. That was the focus of the Investors Forum. They met industry leaders, explored thriving enterprises, and learned firsthand what it takes to scale a business. And then came the grand final, Demo Day, a celebration of hard work, resilience, and growth. Entrepreneurs pitched their heart out to investors, industry leaders, and potential partners. The energy was electric, the stories inspiring. But the journey didn't end there. Our commitment to these businesses extended beyond Demo Day.
Before I joined Skies-Eldohub, my sales were low. And then kuenda huko nikafunzwa some skills about kuuza viatu.
Thank you for the support. It was a pleasure working with you.
Through post-acceleration support, We continued to mentor, connect, and empower these entrepreneurs. Their growth didn't just create jobs, it transformed communities. This is the story of Miliki Business Accelerator program, a story made possible by the vision of Kiep Skies, the support of Ministry of Trade and Industry, the funding from the World Bank, and the invaluable partnership with E4 Impact and Spainberg.
Na hizi majiko ni mzuri kwa binadamu.
Miliki isn't just an accelerator. It's a movement, a legacy of impact, growth, and hope.
My name is Hilary Tonui. I'm the co-founder of Rayoni Feeds Enterprises.
Yeah, I'm Donald Ayuku Mlama.
My name is Vanis Kitu.
Mimi ni mkurugenzi wa Transcare Agencies.
I am the founder of Abila Nut Peanut Butter.
My name is Roslyn Ashley, the founder Green Apple Community and the CEO.
At Miliki, we have organizations, for instance, this school that we are in today, where we are running several programs like self-awareness, personality development, emotional intelligence, and goal setting.
I have benefited from the teachings that I've gotten from Miliki, especially online business marketing, coming up with my pitch, and also making more networks.
Thank you, Eldohub, for introducing Miliki program to us. It has been of benefit to me.
I would like to thank the Eldohub for this Miliki facilitation program, which has enabled us to reach this particular point in our businesses.
We are very grateful having Miliki having us on board throughout the training, and we've been able to achieve the training on the areas of pitch deck development and business planning.
Kwa sababu iliweza kunisaidia, nikapata training, nikaweza kujua kudeal na customer, nikaweza kujua pia kumarket products zangu.
Welcome to Magis Kenyeji Limited, where we empower farmers and preserve our culture.
I'm a beneficiary of the Miliki Business Training Program, which I benefited from Eldohub.
I've been a beneficiary of Miliki program under Eldohub, and it has enabled me to gain skills in marketing, networking, and also in customer relations.
I'm a beneficiary of Miliki Acceleration Program, where I was able to acquire a lot of skills, including marketing, financial management, bookkeeping, and record keeping.
And I must say, it has been eye-opening. It has been a great experience. I've gained knowledge. I now have the capacity to build C Natural into a formidable company.
So this is a new product. It's still on development. We are still working to improve its quality. And we are now currently also trying to now apply for licensing. So it's still a challenge for us to get the license, and it's one of the areas that we are also looking to see how we can be supported to get the license for the wines.